Meghalaya Chief Electoral Officer Dr. BDR Tiwari has confirmed that as many as 12 companies of Meghalaya police are sent to Madhya Pradesh just before elections. When asked, Tiwari said as Meghalaya is comparatively a peaceful state, therefore seeing this will not affect the state much. He said that Meghalaya got 40 companies of Central Armed Police Forces CAPF from the centre. Meghalaya will go for polls in the first phase of Lok Sabha elections scheduled to be held on April 19.
For 24 more run. WPRC Simai.
It's the 12 companies of state armed police force. Those have been deployed for the election of Madhya Pradesh from our state police. So it is generally the state police force from the different state also being deployed for the conduct of election in other state also. We did all the arrangement and I am very hopeful it is not going to affect our election, and we are confident to conduct election in very peaceful and questionable.